Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to be guiding you on the so in today's class I'll be guiding you through on how to use the Capcut app. So now let's first get started. Now first of all, you can see the new project. So you first of all click on it. That's when you enter the application for the first time. Even though you are not entering for the first time, once you open it, it will appear like this. Like I was saying yesterday night, like these are the work I've done with it. So these are the work I did with it. So all you need is just click on the new project to get started. So you click on it. So I'm going to be using a video. Let me look for a video. Okay, let me just use this one. Alright, so now we are inside the Capcut dashboard. Now first of all, you can see at the down part of this Capcut, at the down part, you can see edit, you can see audio, you can see text, you can see stickers, and you can see overlay, effects, and more. So if you scroll like this, you can see other ones over there. You can see something like a filter, format, canvas, and adjust. So those ones, they are all doing different jobs. Everyone is doing different job. So first of all, we are going to be looking at the edit. So let's click on edit. So now I've clicked on edit. Now you can see what has appeared, like split. These are the options on the edit part. So like you can see edit. If I click on it again, you will see split, speed, animation, styles, delete, cut out, volume, extract audio, and so on. So all these things I'll be touching them. So this tutorial, we are just working on we are only working on edit. So we'll be working on edit. Now if you look if you can see this audio, the video here. You see what I just clicked? This video here is called the this one, what's the name again? It's called the frequency. Is it the the timeline? Sorry, it's called the timeline. So this is the timeline. So as you can see, you can see where they are written add audio. So that's where you add audio. Those ones will do it later. So I'll still show you how to add audio on your video. So let's assume this is a video I just videoed. Maybe I took a video of something, I want to edit it. So let's just assume that this video here is a video I just took. Okay, let me play so that you see. So let's assume that I took this video myself. But if you listen to it, you will see that that's if you can hear, you will see that there is an audio on it already. But I will also show you how to remove the audio from it. So let's first of all go back to the edit and then walk through on the edit part. So now, what is split? Now split function is meant for, let's say I want to split, I want to cut this timeline, this video into two parts. I want to cut it. So let's assume over here, I will just drag it to this place. So if I drop it wherever I want to split it into two, so I'll just click on split. Now you will see that it will split this video into two parts over here, as you can see. Now you can see that white thing that has come in between the video. So it means that you have splitted the video. The video is now two over there. So now I can click on that white thing right now and choose, and then wait for Capcut to give me some transition. some transition. So like something like this, as you can see, something like you can just choose anyone you like. You can choose anyone you like, anyone at all that you like. So let me choose. I think I like this one because it's a woman. Because it's a woman, I like that one. Somebody will say I like woman. I don't like woman, no. I like that one because it's a woman, that's all. So, and the next thing I'm going to do is, if you can see this, this is the timing. That's the timing. So I can choose to put it on 4 seconds. You see, it's too fast. So I will just put it on the highest time so that it becomes slow. Now you can see overlay. That's this one's camera, blur, basic light effects, glitch and distortion. All of them, they are all transitions. So if you click on any of them, you will see more transitions. If you click on any of them, you will see more transitions, different ones. But I'm using overlay because that one is a girl. That's the one I will use because it's a girl. So I hope you get it. All right. So now let's assuming that you have cut out some other parts. Maybe you have splitted other places in the video and you want the same effect, that's this transition, to affect to other ones. That is why Capcut is very good. It will even allow you to apply the same transition to all the splitted parts. So if you have splitted some parts, you will be able to apply it to all of them at once. But if you don't want, then you just don't click on this apply to all. Don't click on that apply to, because if you once you click on apply to all this one I just choose right now, this transition I just choose right now will affect all of them, will affect all the splitted parts of the video that I have splitted already. That's if I have, you get what I mean. So that is it. So once you are done and you don't want it to affect all, then you just click on this check this one, this good. Those people that went to primary school understand what I'm saying. This good here, mark. So you just click on it, that you can see that it has affected. So let's click again. You can see that. You see that. So now what if I want to change it? It's same thing, just click on it again and then you can change it. So that is that. Now let's move on to the next part, still on edit. So just click on the edit part, then you will click on speed. The next one is speed. Now click on speed. Now first of all, let me say something. Now before you click on speed, now you have seen that I have splitted the video into 2 parts, right? Now let's assuming that I want this particular part, this side. You can see I'm choosing here, but you see this one is not selected. It's only one part that is selected. So that is how splitting works. So let's assuming you want to apply some effect on a part of the video and you don't want it to affect other ones. That is when this split is needed. When you want to apply some effect on a particular part of the video and you don't want that effect to affect all your videos, so you split that video over there. You split it and then apply the effect that you want to apply. I hope you get it. All right, so let's go back. Let me just choose this first part. Now let me click on speed. Now let me click on normal. So you see it's on the speed duration is on 1x. That's 1x duration. So I can choose now to either make it slow. Okay, let me play so that you see. It's slow. Or I'll make it 2x. It will be more faster than the first part. So that is that. That's how it works. Okay. So You can even make it 100%. The guy will just die at once. You see. Even the thing is telling you that it is too much, so you bring it, let's say 4, something like that. You got it. So some of those TikTok videos, you will see that at times the person will just be moving fast. This is how they do it. Okay, don't worry, this is how they do it. They will just increase the speed ratio, that's all. So now let me put it back on normal. That's the 1.0. No, I've changed. It's not 1.0. all right, so let me just leave it there for now, and then just click on OK. Now let's assume that you have setted this thing right now, but it doesn't want to move back like the way it's doing. Like, I can't remember the normal speed ratio that it was on. I can't remember the speed ratio that it was on. So what I'm going to do right now is, you see God, okay, you see this back space here, back button here, back beside the video. Sorry, I'm not drawing anything. This video recorder doesn't draw, but in another, I will download another one. I will download the one that I have the drawing thing, so that I'll be drawing when I'm doing the tutorial. So you just click on this back button here. So the speed ratio that I just added will go back. If I want it to normal, I'll just click back until it's okay. So you can see that now it's okay. You see, now it's okay. So that is that. Now let's move back to what we were doing. So now we are done with okay, let's go back to speed. Now we are done with normal. You now know how to use normal. Now let's look at how to use curve. So you click on curve. Now curve is like auto setted speed, auto setted speed. All right, so it's done, like it will be doing. Don't worry, let me before I will eat my mouth, let me just click on any of them so that I see how it works. So you just click on it, it will be selected. You see something like that. So some part will be slow, some part will be faster, some part will be, stuff like that. You get it. You get the this one. So something like this. You get it. So that is how it works. So sometimes you'll be watching TikTok's videos. Sometimes the person is walking slow, and then at the moment the person will just walk very fast. That's how they do it. All right. So that is why this video editor is very, very good. It's very, very, very good. So the next, let me just click on another last one so that you see. You get it. All right, so that is that. So if you are done, then you just mark it, then you are done, then you go back. Now let's move on to the next one, which is animation. Now what this animation, let's click on it and see. So animation, now let's assume, now let's click on animation. I'll click on in. So the in will give me an animation of how the video will come in. So I will click on this one, you see. So when the video is coming in, it will come like that. This is what we call animation. You get it. I love this one. No, I love this one. So you can choose to set the duration. Let me tell you this. I think I like this one. So you just select it, and then I'm done with my in. So I'll just click on it. You see that? You see that it's like this one has come down. Yeah, I think so. So that's it. You get it. All right, so that is that. Now let's move on to the next one. Still on edit. So now you have added the in, right? We added in on the animation. We added in. So let's assume I want to add out. That's when the video is finishing, how it will go out. So I just click on out, then I can choose any of them. So when the video is going out, it will go out. So I can choose any of them. So I can just click on that. So this is in. You get it. So that is that. Now the next one I'm going to do is style. Now this style, I think, is still under this one, under construction. It's not yet out, so you can see it's not active, but when it will come out, you can test it. Yeah, you can test it when it's out. So let's move on to the next one. Oh, what am I doing? Let's move on to the next one. The next one is delete. Okay, now the delete aspect, if I don't want this particular clip, this one I splitted, this one, the first part, sorry, if I don't want this first part of the clip, so I'll just click on it, then I'll click on delete. So you can see the video is gone. All right, so it's gone. So that is that. Now the next one there is cut out. So the cut out, I think I'll do that one. I will do that one as another one. I will do another video for that one. That one is small. So now the video is having a volume. It's having a song on it. So if I want to remove it, I'll just click on volume, and then I'll remove the volume. I'll remove the song or the audio on it, so you can see there's no audio playing again. Or I can higher the volume so that it's more louder, or I can lower it. I can choose to lower it, I can choose to higher it, I can choose to remove it. You get the thing. All right, so that's that. Pause. So now extract audio. I will teach you that one later. Extract audio, how to extract audio from a video on your phone. Let's say there's an audio on your phone, you want to extract the audio from the video to put it on what you are working on. You can do that. So what you are going to do is just click on the extract. I will do that one later. Yes, I'll do it later. Okay, the next one now is edit. So click on edit. So we have a rotate. So you can rotate your video, you can mirror your video, you can choose to face it like this or face it like this. You can also choose to crop. I know some of you know about these ones, so you can choose to crop your video. Now this is where you can crop your video to any ratio you want. So you can put it on 9:16, 16 by 9, 10, 1 by 1, like anyone you want. But if maybe you got this one but you don't want it back, you can go to reset, and then everything will be reset back. So you just click OK, and then that's it. So the next one on our list is filters. So filters, so all these things you don't even need to do it, because why I love Capcut is that they have done everything already for you. So you don't even need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about anything. They have done everything for you already. So all you need is just click on the one they have done, then it will automatically apply on your video. So it will automatically apply on your video. So I think I love this. All right, so you can choose more other ones. Wow, you can choose more other ones. You can reduce the clarity, you can increase the clarity anyhow you want it. You can go to food, you can go to movies, you can go to night scenes, you can go to scare what's that, come back to my this one and tell me what this is. Come back to the group and tell me what this is. I beg you. I can't read it. What's this? Okay, retro. Alright, mono, other ones as well. Alright, so that's that. So yes, so that is that. So now let's move on to the next one, which is adjust. So on the adjust, that's where you do your color correction. Sorry for my English, I beg you, and the noise outside. I'm sorry. I'm not home, but I have to do this video so that you guys will not say I'm wasting your time. So we have first on our list on the adjust. So we have brightness, and also please, my language, I'm in Ghana, so you know how it is, the Ghana boys. All right, so first of all we have brightness. So brightness, on the brightness, you use it to correct your brightness on the video. You can increase the brightness or reduce the brightness. All right, and then we have a contrast. So the contrast, I use it to also correct some correct some things on the video. You get to correct some things. Yeah, so that is that as well. And then we have a saturation. So the saturation, we use it to increase the color of the video to make it more more colorful. We also have exposure. So exposure is to expose the video, or you can hide the video, like make it more calm, warm, or sunny, like as if the sun is too much or something like that. So we have our sharpness. This is the most powerful tool that we have on Capcut. So the sharpening, we use it to sharpen our video. So if you increase it, you get a high quality on your video, a high quality. But you shouldn't do it beyond. I beg you, you shouldn't be doing it beyond. You have to use your head as small. Don't do it beyond. And then we have the HSL. All of them get their thing. It's just all about color correction. You have to know the color that is in your video. Don't be having a yellow background and be editing green. You will spoil your work. You better know the color on your work before using this. All right, so let's go back. No, don't do this now. All right, we are still on. Let's go to graph. With the graph, you'll be able to tune your this one, just increase, just manipulate some things. You get stuff like that. Just click and be dragging it up and down until you get exactly what you want. You can go to red if you are having a red background, but if you don't have a red background, you'll be seeing this thing that you are seeing on this video. All right, you have to make sure you have like some reddish color that you want to bring out and stuff like that. So that is that. So let's move on to the highlights. The same thing. So all of these things, you just need to just know what you want. If maybe you want to add more brightness to the thing, you want to change color, you want to make it warm and things, you want to make this one is shadow, you want to make the shadow come, like the shadow to be deep, the shadow to be cleaned and things like that. And then we also have the temperature. You can also make the temperature of the video warm and things. You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. All right, so the next one we have the hue. The hue too, you can use it to correct your colors. Well, all these things is all about color correction. The fade, you can use it to fade the video or remove the fading. And then we have the vignette. You guys you should teach me English. You get it. Somebody's smiling already. All right, so that's it. That's what this does. We use it to either make it dark, the side of the video, or make it sunny or whitish or blackish, anyhow you want it. So that is that. And then we have the grain. So this one will make it will bring some point something on it. Those as if you are watching AI news with those old TV internet, those TVs that when you are watching we hearing those things. It will bring it this dot to bring it on it, so you can see it there. All right, you can also use it to remove it as well. All right, I think that is that. So that is that for edit. So on the next video, I just want to make this short. On the next video, I'm going to be walking you through on the enhance, mask, overlay, replace, and these ones. So we have to take this gradually so that we will not miss anything. Okay, all right, so take care of yourself and be good, and make sure that you are learning, please. I make sure that you are learning, because at the end of this, if you don't learn anything, it means you just wasted your time. And also, please take this tutorial serious, because this thing I'm disclosing to you, many people will never do it for you for free, and they will never, even if they are showing you, they will not go deep the way I'm going deep. They'll just be showing it to you, this can do this can do this, but they will not be showing you how it works. So make sure that you are taking this class for serious. Yeah, if you have anybody around you, maybe the person also wants to learn how to edit video, you can let the person join the class so that the person can also learn as alongside with you, because maybe when you will be done, and when you start what you want to do, and you needed somebody to help you with something, maybe the person you helped to join this class may also be there for you. So maybe you'll be shooting, the person will be editing for you. So just make sure that you are learning, and make sure that you are putting these things in practical. Okay, all right, so I'll see you in the next class. Bye.